Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a mustache. And these are great for wearing as a Halloween costume. And once made, you can fashion it in different configurations. And it's a really easy pattern. Here it is with a cap on. And yep, that's me. I don't think anybody would recognize me. To make this easy mustache, you can use either 2 strands of worsted weight yarn or 1 strand of a bulky yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and chain 18 or 20. After you have your chain the correct length, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through too. So you're going to go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And here's how that will look, and you can fasten off, and then you'll need some kind of wire. You can use a pipe cleaner and fold it in half like this, and then just twist it. Or you can use a heavy wire. This is a wire that I had for staking items in the garden, or maybe 2 twist ties twisted together. Thread the yarn end into a needle, and you're going to place this on your mustache like this, on the back, and then with your needle and your yarn end, just sew it on. And then you'll have this mustache that you can shape any way you would like it. And to wear your mustache, you could either use some of this double-faced tape and put it here and just stick it under your nose, or you could thread some flesh-colored yarn into a needle and then pass right through here like this, and then just tie loops on each side to place it on the ears. Or you could tie it around the head. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a crochet mustache. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.